Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing a box of chocolates. Actually, it's a company that does gift boxes, and the gift boxes either have jewelry or chocolates, and the one that I got today is a chocolate one. And of course I'm going to have their link down below. They are on Amazon as well, so if you need that quick delivery, especially around this holiday season, for some chocolates or jewelry, they have that. They are completely affordable and a great last minute gift. So without further ado, this is the one I got. Now this did come shrink wrapped, but I am gluten free and these chocolates are not gluten free. So I had someone in my house test it so I can tell you guys what it is like. But anyways, this is what the box comes looking like, and it was shrink wrapped, very nice. Has this nice little bow on it, which I think is cute, especially if you're doing a holiday thing. If you don't want to undo it that way, you can undo it this way. Ta-da! And yeah, it's packaged very beautifully, and I will show you that now. Okay, of course it has the sheet up top here, and like I said, I am missing one because I had somebody in my house taste test it. This is what it looks like. These are basically cookies that are dipped in chocolate, which I think is just absolutely wonderful. They have different flavored themes on it. The cream itself is kind of like a hazelnut cream, and the chocolate is a very good quality chocolate, that much I can tell you. Let's see if I can break one in half. The chocolate, okay, so I can't break one in half without making a chocolate mess. I'm trying, I really am. Okay, basically the cookie inside is like an Oreo, and I think for me they feel a little fresher than like the Oreos in the store. Maybe not, maybe it's me, I don't know, but they seem like they're a little bit fresher. The chocolate is definitely a good quality chocolate, very rich, very creamy. This is a great gift for anybody, doesn't matter, man, woman, whatever. So I do recommend this. I think this is great, and of course link is down below in the information description. There you go, that's what I'm looking for. And of course I will put a link in the comment section and pin it for you as well. But yeah, check these out. Great gift. And again, they are on Amazon, so if you need that quick 1-2 day delivery, there you go. And yeah, that is it. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.